So we have been looking at the variable size sliding window, for the shortest subarray, the shortest substring. I realized that there's one question that I sort of missed, so I'll just cover that over here. Very short, the we have been looking at the cases where the target sum or the target substring is always present in the list of the string, right? What happens if it is not, right? So for example, here, let's say I was looking for 8, remember, 8 is the target. Let's say none of these guys add up to 8. So, there was one 8 over here. I think now none of them add up to 8. Well, not a big problem. When I run this, let me see if none of this is indeed adding up to 8. Okay, so there is something adding up at 8. So let me just go and change that to, let's say, 10. So that also breaks. Um, Okay, so notice now, I ran through the entire loop. I did not find any existence of 8. So basically, it returned me an infinity because look, that's what I had set it up for, right? In the beginning, range bin. So which means that, if the list doesn't contain this particular item, then that will basically come back as infinity. Not, which is, and not surprising at all because think about it, right? So if I find that current sum is not equal to t, I'm never getting into this at all. I'm not surprising at all because if I find that current sum is not become equal to t, I'm never getting into this condition at all. In fact, the same exact thing happens, for example, in the shortest substring problem. Let's say I have a string which doesn't have c at all, right? So I'm never going to find, for example, a substring of this sort. And I indeed expect to see minimum range infinite, right, at index 0. Well, because, again, because this condition never happens, right? This condition never happens. I never update my range bin, right? Now, is this a problem? Well, not really, because look, at an external, let's say, code. So remember, I just ran the shorter substring. My x, if I were to run, it's infinite and 0. If I were to look at x0, say equal to float, say I and f, well, that is going to be true. So I can always determine that this item was not present in the list, right? So yeah, small point but important. Just think about it. It's been taken care in some sense. Yeah, I hope you found this interesting. Do look at our website www.ybyte.in for more such content and enjoy programming.